In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a text box into Microsoft Word so you can complete graphic organizers on the computer. The easiest way to do this is to begin by selecting the Insert ribbon and scrolling over to the text box icon. Once you click this, it'll bring up a number of options and styles of text boxes that you can include in a Word document. But for right now, we're just going to use the simple text box. Clicking on the perimeter of the box will allow you to move it around and place it in the appropriate shape. You can then use the squares to the sides to adjust the size so it'll fit perfectly in the object where you're trying to place it. Clicking on the inside of the box will highlight the default text, which you can go ahead and delete. You can then type in the text that you wish to include. And you can then repeat these steps to fill and add text boxes into the remainder of the shapes, and then type in the appropriate information.